The mortal remains of Naga village guard LANBIMEI RIAMEI, who was reportedly killed in a gunfight with a team of CRPF's CoBRA commandos, were cremated today after local residents and CSO members paid their last respects. The last rites of the deceased Naga village guard were held at a church conference hall in LONGMAI, Part 3. Mourners, fellow village guards, CSO leaders, women's groups and students gathered at the venue to pay their final tributes. Following the service, the mortal remains of LANBIMEI RIAMEI were cremated at a local cemetery in LONGMAI, Part 3. LANBIMEI RIAMEI was fatally shot during a reported encounter with a team of CoBRA commandos at BITIANG village in None district at around 6 a.m. The incident occurred during an operation launched against the Naga village guards. 3 other Naga village guards and 2 CoBRA commando personnel were also injured in the clash.